If you're a stay-at-home mom or dad, dads too, this is ways that I make money. Hey guys, what's up, what's up, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is G. I'm a reseller and a content creator. But yeah, so if you're into any of those, want to learn tips, tricks, or what I do, then stick around. So right now I'm creating a video. I'll put it right here for you guys so you can see. It's with a brand deal that I have currently. It's like a hair conditioner and shampoo. If you're looking for thicker, healthier hair, then look no further. I was done with my hair until I found this. This is 𝔹𝕌𝕊𝕬 hair. A rosemary shampoo and conditioner that makes your hair thicker, fuller, and more full of life. And not only does it help with my hair, it smells really good. It's great because it's made for all different hair types. Great. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing right now. And then I'm gonna ship some packages and get some work done. Okay, don't mind that stuff over there. I gotta list that stuff, but I'm not here to gatekeep. One of the apps that I use is called Join Brands. It'll be linked down in the description for you guys if you sign up. I think you get a little bit of cash, and I get a little bit of cash. It's like $5 or something. So thank you in advance that it's like an affiliate link. But this is where I get easy jobs that I can post on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Shorts, Amazon Shoppable, or just make a video for the brand itself so you don't even have to post it anywhere. It can range anywhere from just free products to literally like $100 to $200 stuff, depending on what you can do. But this is what it looks like. It's linked down in the description. Thank you guys in advance. And I'm not trying to, you know, keep it secret. I want you guys to make money like I make money. We're stay-at-home mom, dads, and we need side hustles to survive in this world. So thank me later. Also, with like content creation stuff, you don't need much. You need a ring light, or like, you know, this light, which is better. Everything's linked down in the description. So you need a light, you need a tripod, which is what you guys are on right now, and a phone, and that's about it. What sold for me recently, we've been selling a lot lately on Poshmark and eBay, with a few sales from Depop here and there. But most of the stuff you see is coming from Poshmark. So you guys, Poshmark is not dead. And on eBay, I had one return. And also most of this stuff came from the Goodwill bins. Okay, so we have 3 days left, but I'm going to go ahead and make this and put this in the video. So this month, which is the month of January, we made $2,251.27 gross, which is great for January, and versus last January, I mean like $500 or something like that. So we definitely made more this January. And then net, we're taking home $1,334.16. Like I said, we have 3 days left. I'm going to send out a huge sale deal. So it's going to be more than that, but I wanted to wait till the end of the month to do that. So I'm super happy with that. It's only January, and I want to make sure that every month I'm making more than I made last year. And we've definitely done that this year. So let me know down in the comments if you guys are selling a lot in January, and if you don't mind, what your gross is. Most of my sales came from Poshmark. So you guys that are saying Poshmark is dead, no, it is not. And I'm going to say 98% of my sales are from offers to likers. So send out them offers. And I also do want to mention that is not my full income for the month, because I am a content creator and I do other things as well. But for just reselling, that's what I made so far. We got 3 days left. Can we get to 3,000? I think we can. Let's try. So recently just got these poly mailers, and I wanted to open them up and show you guys. So this is what they look like. It has like the little St. Cloud mailers there. They seem like they're pretty good quality. They have the strip there so that you don't have to use tape or anything, which I absolutely love. It definitely is big enough to fit like a t-shirt or a pair of jeans inside. And overall, I would recommend. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a video with your girl G. Also, if you want to watch other reselling or thrifting videos, you can click that right up there. Bye!